our group decided to create a set of questions to evaluate how everyone felt, what they observed, and how the 2024 intramurals changed them. Through these questions, we wanted to understand the values they discovered, the moment that stood out, and how this experience changed their mindset. By reflecting on this aspect, we aim not to only capture their individual growth, but also highlight the intramurals, bring out the best in everyone, whether it's resilience, teamwork, or a deeper sense of self. Join us as we explore the insights and uncover what makes this event truly memorable.
What I have observed in myself is I have learned to stand up for what I do and to give importance to what we do. I'm not surprised that I can do this because I already done that at senior high school.
Hi, I'm Jessibel Cataroja, CBA player. As a volleyball player, the value I observed during intramurals was discipline, teamwork, and communication. In the discipline, since I commit this, prioritizing training and time management. At Larry, even I sacrifice my other activities. Teamwork, since this is team sport, the success depend on everyone playing their part. Trust and collaboration with the teammates. Cooperation is vital in a group team. Communication, encouraging teammates and providing good feedbacks has a great impact in each team member. The surprising values I discovered was humility. Losing games, making mistakes, and witnessing other skills made me realize of staying grounded.
Patient while participating in the activities, especially it takes too long and a lot of days to be on that activities, and as it is keep going, it's very fun to be at peace while in that place.
I don't know how to describe it, but a lot changed in me after our intramurals. Mostly, I learned to cooperate more because we need to win, but we were not lucky this year.
Participating in intramurals does not only improve my skills and confidence as a player, it developed my capabilities as a team member. I am more aware on how to adapt and stay grounded.
In parts of perception, I can say being a student or being
competing in intramurals, boosting my self-esteem because I saw my acting skills.
Intramurals strengthen my self-esteem by realizing my self-worth. It is not about winning, but the effort of each individuals put into it. The sense of competition helped me to develop my confidence and motivate me to improve more my skills as a volleyball player.
so when
During
how I sense it from the part of the cheering of every department, especially of CBA, that it becomes back-to-back champion from different years, and the other department are also making a plan to defeat the department. And yes, the decision that I made is we need to be better and to be humble like that.
Can you
I remember the time when our choreo was angry because of our stooling craftsmen, because I felt they really changed their behavior when the choreo was angry. As for me, I will not wait for that happen before I fix my
Made me
behavior.
realize of staying grounded. Participating in intramurals does not only improve my skills and confidence as a player. It developed my capabilities as a team member. I am more aware on how to adapt and stay grounded. Intramurals strengthen my self-esteem by realizing my self-worth. It is not about winning, but the effort of each individuals put into it. The sense of competition helped me to develop my confidence and motivate me to improve more my skills as a volleyball player. During
I
intermediate,
think being calm in part of there's a bashers in our department, especially trying sizes is wide, and to this entrance there's a lot of competition that still having, and me as a student I need to control myself to not speak about other department that can cause any problem to the department. Yes.
At first, I couldn't accept that we were lost because we were told that the budget for the festival was 500k, but I realized that I shouldn't be based our victory on the performance.
the resilience I developed through intramural supports team, leaning on each other in two time and celebrate victories as a team, reflecting instead of reacting. Always look at the big picture rather than point finger to anyone. Be appreciative. Appreciate individual contribution in the team, big or small, still value.
Maybe from that, my resilience is I must be on that moment. Since I am a coverage man or a media, I need to take a shots of every moment and having resilience in every shots, because may pagkakataon na maaari ang tamaan ng bola ng mga naglalaro and also ng mga nanonood dahil sa pag-cheer nila. And yes, I need to be resilient from that, because yung ginagamit kong cameras, it is not just a camera, but it is my life that I need to protect.
The 2024 Buklat Intramurals at Trimex Colleges was a surrounding success, showcasing the diverse talents and competitive spirits of its students. The festival dance, a vibrant spectacle of color and movement, set the tone for the event, fostering unity and camaraderie among the participants. The subsequent sports competition, including basketball, volleyball, badminton, chess, Scrabble, darts, and billiards, provided opportunities for individuals to showcase their skills and for teams to work together towards victory. Through these events, students not only develop their athletic abilities but also strengthen their interpersonal relationships